Hello friends, what is the longest river in the world? 1. Nile, 2. Amazon, 3. Mississippi, 3. Yangtze. So the correct answer is Nile. The longest river in the world is Nile. So the second MCQ is, what is the longest wall in the world? Wall of India, Wall of China, Wall of Egypt, none of these. Who built the Great Wall? Qin Shi Huang, also called the first emperor, united China. Chinese created this wall as a defense against Mongols. When the Great Wall of China was made 221 BC, the Ming Great Wall's length 851 km 500 mile. So the correct answer is Wall of China. When Great Wall of China was made? First option is 221 BC, second option is 233 BC, third option is 300 BC, fourth option is none. So dear students, correct option is A, 221 BC. Next MCQs. How many hundred years old city found in Iraq? 10, 100 year, 2000 year, 3000 year, or 4000 year? So the correct answer is 2000 year. First Commonwealth Games were held in the country: UK, USA, Canada, Australia. None of these. Held in Hamilton, Canada, August 1930. So the correct option is Canada. Next MCQs. First Commonwealth Games were held in year 920, 1920, 1910, 1913, 1915. So the correct option is C, 1930. Next MCQs. Rivers flows from most countries: Danube River, Nile River, Congo River, Amazon River. The Danube is Europe's second longest river after the Volga. So the correct option is Danube River. Who won most time Grand Slam? Rafael Nadal, Roger Federer, Novak Djokovic, Pat Sampras. So the correct option is Rafael Nadal. Which is the tallest building in the world? Mordecai 118, Burj Khalifa, Shanghai Tower, Average Al-Bad Clock Tower. So dear friends, which is the tallest building in the world is Burj Khalifa. So correct option is Burj Khalifa. Next MCQs. Which is the second tallest building in the world? Mordecai 118, Burj Khalifa, Shanghai Tower, Average Al-Bad Clock Tower. So dear friends, our correct option is Mordecai 118. Next MCQs is here. Which is the third tallest building in the world? Mordecai 118, Burj Khalifa, Shanghai Tower, Average Al-Bad Clock Tower. So dear friends, our correct option is C, Shanghai Tower. So dear friends, please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and like this video for encourage me. Thanks for watching, and please watching this channel.